Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures did move into consolidation mode this week, which is what we expected. Put some lines in quickly. This is where the market was consolidating back here before it accelerated higher. It pushed up, and after a week's consolidation, it moved up to the highs of the range where supply was drawn out, and we noted it at the time. The lows were coming through here, and that supply eventually won out and pushed price lower. The market then spent some time in consolidation mode at this level, and you'll see just more recently prices accelerated higher. 1 week's consolidation again, a push up to the highs of the range, and this week another week of consolidation, which is exactly what's expected. This is an important level. Supply was drawn out at this level previously. We saw it up here on the very high volume that was drawn out. There's high volumes are down here. So it would make good sense for this market to consolidate up at this level here, absorb supply, and then make an attempt to push higher once the selling pressure is low. Now, volume was reduced and below average again this week, so that does suggest that selling pressure is low, and that opens the door for an attempt to push higher if trading conditions are favourable. So look for that this week. You may see the market just test for supply early, or maybe just over the weekend with a relatively narrow spread. And then if supply continues to be low, there may be an attempt to push higher later next week. We'll watch this one closely.